The Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra is now here at Boost Mobile. It's currently now sale for $100 off. It's $799.99 for the 128GB version, or it is $1299.99 for the 256GB version, and that is currently out of stock right now. And I go back to the 128GB. It says it's in stock. So the only one that's not in stock right now is the 256GB Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is the first time that Boost Mobile has gotten the Ultra phone from Samsung. So this is the first time that they've gotten it. You guys know what the Galaxy S22 Ultra is. It's basically a Galaxy Note. Basically, it does have the S Pen, of course. It looks like the Galaxy S. It looks like a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra from 2020. So yeah, very nice looking phone in my opinion. And I think this is the best looking phone from Samsung in this lineup, in my personal opinion, because I love the Galaxy Note series. And so if you guys are a big fan of the Galaxy Note series, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the phone for you. So it's available in two colors, Phantom Black and burgundy there. I think it's also the case for the 256GB version as well. So yeah, so there's a phone right there. If you guys know what the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra looks like, it pretty much looks like that, except for the camera setup is a bit different. You don't have a big ass camera bump on the back, so that's good. So you do get the S Pen there, power button, RAM keys on the right side of the phone there, S Pen of course. You do get an in-display fingerprint sensor. You get a whole point tree front-facing camera. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra is $799.99, currently on sale for $100 off. It's $1,200 full retail price. That's the 128GB version. That's $1299.99 for the 256GB version. So yeah. So there's the whole point state. If you guys could see, that's kind of hard to see it there with the background there. Whole point state, and your piece above that, volume key, power button on the right side of the phone. Now you get S Pen, of course. That's the main attraction of this phone, is the S Pen. And there's the back of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The camera setup here. You guys got a I think 2 telephoto camera lenses on the back here. So that's pretty cool. And one of them is an ultra wide, and another one is a wide angle camera on the back. And of course you got the Samsung logo, and it looks like the camera lenses are kind of flushed into the phone. It's not like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra where you had a giant ass camera hump on the back. So you cannot get a camera protector for this phone here to protect your camera lenses. So it's pretty cool if you guys want to do that. So yeah, very nice looking phone. And yeah, it's very nice looking phone. There it is, the left side there. Your SIM card slot is on the bottom of the phone, so do keep that in mind. There is no SD card slot on this phone, because Samsung has done away with the SD cards. So do keep it in mind. So yeah, no SD card support on this phone. Your SIM card is at the bottom of the phone. So there's the back of it again. Very nice looking phone all around. Right side, power button, the volume keys. Like I said, you do get an in-display fingerprint sensor. Says it's currently in stock right now. So we'll see how long that stays up there. Maybe when this video is uploaded to YouTube, maybe it won't be in stock. Maybe, hopefully it's still in stock when this video is uploaded to YouTube, but I guess we'll see. Because when I was in the Galaxy S22 video for Boost Mobile, it said that it was in stock, and then I clicked on the 256GB version that was out of stock, and then I went back to the 128GB version of the Galaxy S22, and it said it was out of stock. So it changed instantly. So that was kind of crazy. You guys can go watch my video on that to see it for yourselves. So it says here, pressing the Presenting the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Create 8K movie-like videos even in low light with the 1.8 megapixel rear camera. Elevate your creative and editing control with the embedded S Pen. Experience powerful endurance with battery for a day and into the next. Enjoy super speed with a fast processor even when multitasking. So quick specs on the front, you guys know what the specs are. 6.8-inch display, 1.8 megapixel main camera on the rear, 40 hours of talk time, 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes of storage for the Bismol version, and Android 12 with One UI 4.0. So of course, how's it work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a plan and activate online. Pretty simple there. So there's the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Of course, the main selling point is its S Pen. Of course, that's the main attraction. So on the Galaxy S22 Ultra this year, you do have a place to put your S Pen, so that is a win. Last year, Samsung had the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and you had to buy the S Pen separately, and you did not have nowhere to put your S Pen on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. But Samsung has made changes, and now you have somewhere to put your Galaxy your S Pen on your Galaxy S22 Ultra, so you guys don't lose it. So, yeah. It's basically a Galaxy Note, but with the Galaxy S branding on it. So, yeah, the Ultra line from Samsung, that's basically your Galaxy Note series now. So, yeah. So that's the phone right there. Very nice looking phone. There's your video editing there. That's pretty cool. You can edit videos on here, edit photos. The S Pen will make it precision and accuracy better, so that's a win. Write, sketch, edit, and more. New phone, new S Pen. Now you can unleash your creativity on the Galaxy S22 Ultra with an embedded S Pen. Very nice shots there. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it was like New York City or something, or I don't know where this was taken. So if you guys know where this was taken, let me know in the comments below. It says low light, no problem. Capture the night with crystal clear, bright pics and videos, no matter the lighting with night mode. Life looks razor sharp with 8K video. Shoot videos that rival how epic your life is with stunning 8K recording. You can record up to 8K videos on here. So pretty insane. There's fast, and then there's our fastest processor ever, of course. So they're saying that now they're taking the Apple route on saying that it's their fastest processor ever, but they're using a Qualcomm chip set in here. So yeah, it says wait less and do more of what you love thanks to the incredibly fast 4nm processor. Streaming high def video chat with others. Stay on top of what's trending in no time. This phone is made for the speed of your life. So yeah, all day battery, no interruptions, power every scroll, click, tap, and stream all day and then some with intelligent long-lasting battery. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has like a 5,000 mAh battery. I believe it is 5,000 milliamps, I believe. So that's good. It's also water resistant as well, of course. That's pretty much standard now on the Samsung flagship series. It looks as good as it performs. Expertly engineered to outlast your day with class. Finally, a phone that meets your standards. Alright, so the specs on here, obviously this is a flagship phone, so you get what you pay for here. You expect flagship specs on here, and that's what you're getting. You're getting a 5,000 mAh battery, like I said, 40 hours of talk time. Battery's not removable, of course, so that's pretty much standard now. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of RAM, or 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of ROM. So pretty cool. There is no micro SD expansion, so that's all that you guys will get. You guys have to use like a external hard drive, SD card thing, Google One or whatever. for your storage needs. Processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. That is the newest processor from Qualcomm. Android 12 with One UI 4.0, I believe. Camera is 108 megapixel wide angle with the f1.8 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with the f2.2 aperture, 10 megapixel telephoto with an f4.9 aperture with 10 times optical zoom. Plus you get an additional 10 megapixel telephoto lens, so you get two telephoto lenses on here, both of them with 10 megapixels. One of them is 10 times optical zoom, the other one is 3 times optical zoom, so do keep that in mind. 40 megapixel front facing camera with f2.2 aperture lens. Display 6.8 inches Infinity O Quad HD Plus and Dynamic AMOLED 2 times display. 120Hz refresh rate, of course, that's pretty much like the newest thing now. Dimensions 6.43 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. The Galaxy S22 Ultra weighs 8.4 ounces, so it's a bit hefty, so yeah, big battery, S Pen and all that. Your connectivity options include Wi-Fi, of course, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, Samsung Pay, of course. Other features include fast wireless charging 2.0, wireless power share, which is included in the box like it was last year with the Samsung Galaxy S line. You guys get the Galaxy S22 Ultra, USB-C cable, and your SIM tool, and that is it. There is no charging brick in the box, so you guys will have to have your own. You guys will have to get one if you guys do not have a charging brick already. So you guys will need a Type-C to Type-C. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick. So yeah. So pretty much bare minimum in the packaging. So you're not getting much in the box. Basically getting the phone and the cable and the SIM card, and that's it. You're basically getting the phone, the cable, and the SIM tool, and that is it. Pretty much bare bones on the packaging there. So if you guys need help with your Galaxy S22 Ultra, Beast Mobile has you covered with that with device support here. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So check that out if you guys ever need help with your phone. So there you guys have it. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is now here at Beast Mobile. This is the first time ever that Beast Mobile has gotten the Ultra version of the Galaxy S line from Samsung, so that is a good thing, because usually Beast Mobile will only get like the base Galaxy S model, but now they're getting all three models here, so about damn time. So if you guys are a fan of the Galaxy Note series, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the phone for you because it has the S Pen. It's basically the phone to get if you're a Samsung fan. And so the phone looks different. It looks like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but the camera setup is a bit different. So yeah, I think it looks very nice, of course. I like the phone a lot. Very nice looking phone. Great specs, of course. And yeah, it's currently in stock right now according to this. Hopefully it'll still be in stock when this video goes live on YouTube. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. The 128GB version is in stock. However, the 256GB version is not in stock. So you guys can see that there. So yeah, it's currently on sale right now. It's $800 right now at Beast Mobile currently. It's on sale, $400 off. Full retail price, $1,200 for the 128GB Galaxy S22 Ultra. So first time that Beast Mobile has getting the Ultra line from Samsung, so it's about time for that. So yeah, there you guys have it, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, now available at Beast Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.